So let's start. First I remove grid lines from this page. Then I will add background image. Click on View tab. Uncheck grid lines. Then click on Page Layout. Click on Background. Click on Work Offline. Select the file from your PC. Select this file. Click on Insert. After that, I add here Spreadsheet title. Click Insert tab. Then click on Text box. Place this text box at this position. Inside text box, type Sales Dashboard. Then I format this text. Select all. Click on Center Alignment. Then click on Middle Alignment. I change the text color. Suppose I select this color. Then click on Bold. Change the font type. Calibri Light. And increase the text size up to 36. Then I format this text box. Click Shape Format. Select No Fill. Then select No Outline. Drag and drop this text at this position. Then I add here Shape Line. Click Insert tab. Click on this line. Draw this line at this position. Then I change the shape style. I increase the width of this shape. Then select the shape outline color, this color. Then drag and drop this shape at this position. Slightly move this edge at upper position. Decrease the shape size. Then I create a layout of dashboard. So click Insert tab. Click on Text box. Draw this text box at this position. After that, right click on this shape. Click on Format Shape. Then select Fill Arrow button. Increase the transparency up to 60. Then click Shape Fill Arrow button. I select this color. Then close this pane. I make copy of this text box. Place this text box at this position. I make another copy of this text box. Resize. I make another copy of this text box. Drag and drop this text box at this position. Resize this text box. Then select this text box. Place this text box at this position. Resize. Then I add here 6 more text box. That text box will show sales for each region. So copy this text box. Resize. Drag and drop at this position. Then again copy this text box. Place at this position. I decrease the size of this text box. Make 4 more copies of this text box. First copy and then paste. Place at this position. Then press Ctrl key and select this text box. Then press Ctrl plus C shortcut keys and press Ctrl plus V shortcut keys. Press mouse and drag right. I create one more text box. Copy and paste at this position. Resize. So the dashboard layout is created. In the next video, I will add icons in each widgets.